Merry Christmas! How are you? Hope all is well. Besides this epidemic, enthusiasm is seen all around. From households to businesses, everywhere the enthusiasm for Christmas you can feel it. Christmas sales are also going on. Amidst all these arrangements, these preparations, Christmas tree plays an important role, isn't it? Not only it is used in festivals, trees are also environment friendly. That's why our today's topic is Christmas tree. Hello, I am Nandini Das, academician, author. Do you know from where this use of Christmas tree is a Christmas celebration started? Yes, you got it right. It is in Germany. First, in Germany, it was started to use Christmas tree in Christmas celebration. Then it just spread to around the world. Now, this Christmas is approaching. Today is Christmas Day, but just before last Thanksgiving time, there was a discussion going on in America. The topic was whether to use natural Christmas trees or artificial Christmas trees. No matter whether it is natural Christmas tree or artificial Christmas tree, but the necessity is, besides after the festivals, it should be preserved, it should be recycled, it should be used properly and environment friendly. So let's discuss the when we use natural Christmas trees, what are the benefits and what are the downsides. If we use artificial Christmas trees, what are the usefulness and what are the limitations. Then in the end we'll find some solutions for the use of Christmas trees in your Christmas celebration. So let's start. What are the benefits of natural Christmas trees? Number one benefit is, everybody knows that trees, they absorb carbon dioxide. No matter you put a natural Christmas tree for celebrations in your home, at the lawn, in the garden, wherever it is, but it provides oxygen. Right? Then number two benefit is, Christmas tree symbolizes energy, aliveness and evergreen aspect of life. Don't you feel that? Definitely you must be feeling that, isn't it? Yet it has some downsides. So the downside of natural Christmas tree, using natural Christmas tree, is number one, cutting branches. What do? People just cut branches of trees and put that in their homes, and what they do, that they celebrate it, they decorate it, they celebrate it. But this cutting the trees branches is known as hewing, and hewing is not environment friendly. That everybody knows, you too. Then number two downside is, when after the Christmas day, when you throw it in piles, what happens? It creates the landfill issue. Right? So now you know the benefits of using natural Christmas trees and the downsides. Then what the choice left? The choice left to use artificial Christmas trees. So what are the usefulness of artificial Christmas tree? Number one is this artificial Christmas trees, this saves from hewing. That means when you use artificial Christmas trees, you stop chopping tree branches. That means you are saving the environment. And number two is, it is easy to buy artificial Christmas trees anywhere and take to any place, but it has also its limitations. So number one limitation of artificial Christmas tree is large number of plastic contamination. When you use large number of artificial Christmas trees, it creates plastic contamination. Then number two limitation is because of a use and throw habit, means every year you will buy one artificial Christmas tree, then it will throw it. It is not only a environment friendly, but it is not environment friendly, but at the same time it is a wastage of your money. Now you know the both sides of using natural Christmas trees and artificial Christmas trees. It's not only Christmas trees, anywhere in the globe, people when they use some trees or branches for their festivals, the celebration, the same problem arises. Take for instance, in India, for many festivities, people use banana tree, the branches of mango branches, and the same problems also come, but nobody cares about that. So when we find solution, it is not only for Christmas tree solution, it should be used for everywhere and each person among you to how not to spoil the environment, spoil your pocket, and find the solution for it. Now I'm going to give you 4 solutions. So number one solution is, if you are fond of using natural Christmas trees in Christmas, then one thing you can do, you can go to a nursery and rent a Christmas tree from the farmer, and after that, after the Christmas day is over, after 25th of December, you can go and return it. In this way, you are paying small amount of money and you are not spoiling the environment. At the same time, the farmer is also earning little money. So it's a win-win situation for you, the farmer, and for the total environment. Right? Then number 2 solution is, if you like to use natural Christmas trees, and you can do one thing, you can buy a sapling, and before buying it, you should find a place that after the Christmas day is over, you can plant that sapling and you can take care of it to grow it as a tree. So what will happen with the festival? Every year you are also planting a tree and you are helping the environment to be good. Then number 3 is, if you are using branches of Christmas tree, then you can use, after the festival is over, you can use it as mulch. What is mulch? Mulch is like the trees, the branches to be used for the preservation of the soil, just like fertilizer. But there is one thing, maybe you individually can do it, but some people can do it. For those who are living in apartments, there is no place to mulch. Then it should be done organizationally. When it is done in an organization, after the day is over, after 25th of December, your people can go and they can donate the branches in one place, and it can be, they can take and it can use as mulch. Okay. Number 4 solution of using Christmas tree. When you are using artificial Christmas tree, what you can do? First of all, before buying, you should, sometimes people say that we don't have storage place where to, after the Christmas, where to store the Christmas tree. So make a place for storing the Christmas tree. Then you should control your temptation of buying every year one artificial Christmas tree. That means you are keeping one tree and using it for years. Actually, there was a survey going on, and they found that you can use one artificial Christmas tree at least for 6 years. 6 years means 6 times. Okay, so in that way you will save your pocket, that is your pocket friendly. At the same time, it avoids environmental degradation. Isn't it nice? So now, when sometimes we find that there is no solution, but when you think over it, you can find some solutions. So now you enjoy your Christmas. Then after that, don't pollute the environment, and not only this year you find the right solution, and in coming years you should save your money, at the same time save the environment, but enjoy the Christmas celebration with Christmas tree. Now, if you like this topic, then write down is in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Till then, bye bye. Again, Merry Christmas. Enjoy.